So I work for Qatar Airways in Air India SATS. Uh, so 9:30 hours after 9:30 hours, I came back here to my room and I'm shooting this video for Ashish sir.
So guys, till now I have cleared 6 rounds of interview of different airlines and one cabin crew interview of Go Air. Till now I have 40 plus selection with the span of 4 months. So guys, अगर आप भी बनना चाहते हैं एयरलाइंस इंडस्ट्री का हिस्सा तो ज्वाइन कीजिए मेरा क्रैश कोर्स ज्वाइन करने से पहले 2 प्लेलिस्ट जरूर देखिए, एक है इंटरव्यू कंटेंट और दूसरा सेलेक्टेड सब्सक्राइबर.
Hello everyone, my name is Hari Krishna. I was a student of Aviation Life Ground Staff Crash Course batch of August 15, 2021. And under Ashish sir's sophisticated training, I got selected as a customer service agent for Air India SATS Airport Service Private Limited for Trivandrum Airport base. Air India SATS is the largest ground handling company for the major airports in India. Today, I am here to share my experience about my interview and how the crash course helped me throughout the interview to crack the interview itself. Uh, Before I start this video, I would like to apologize in front of all the Aviation Life viewers because I got selected in the company in September, but I'm making this video by the end of October because of the really hectic schedule of the airport itself. This is my first job, and for me it was really hard to manage the time because in airport, as you know, that you have to work under rotational shifts. So it's like आज अगर तुम सुबह काम कर रहे हो तो हो सकता है कि तुम्हें आज रात को ही काम के लिए बुला लिया जाए for the next shift. By the time of making this video, uh, I actually मैं 9:30 का शिफ्ट लगा कर आ रहा हूँ for Qatar Airways. So I work for Qatar Airways in Air India SATS. So 9:30 hours after 9:30 hours, I came back here to my room and I'm shooting this video for Ashish sir because it means a lot. So my interview experience, I would say, it really went amazing. All thanks to Ashish sir because the way he taught me during the 15-day course, it was really helpful, I would say. I'm not going to reveal all the things that he taught me in the crash course, but I'm going to share some of the experiences which is really helpful for you also. And I would also like to say to the viewers, अगर आप लोग अभी भी confused हो, if you guys are still confused that whether we should join the crash course or not, I'll tell you guys, you're wasting your time. I would tell you to join the crash course as soon as possible for your best experience because he's a career maker. He's not only a teacher, he's a career maker, I would say. And you know, Ashish sir, he will not only going to teach you for the 15 day, he will also going to make a CV for you. And वही CV मैं इंटरव्यू में लेके गया था, and I would say because of that CV I got selected also because उसमें हर चीज़ें up to the point लिखा गया था. He actually called me one day after, like, during the course, he actually called me and he tried to understand a lot of things about me, and on the basis of that he made a CV जो कि बहुत helpful था. So consider about it. I would say that you should join the crash course. So I'm here to share my experience. So basically, it was during the crash course I got a call from the HR department of the Air India SATS. उन्होंने मुझे कॉल किया और and then they said that Hari, your CV has been got shortlisted and now you have to come to the interview by 6th of September. So I was actually what you call on the class and आशीष सर ने मेरा CV just बनाया ही था और मैंने वो just upload कर दिया and like within 3 to 4 days they called me and you know what, actually I told आशीष सर कि मुझे एयर इंडिया सैट्स में भरना है, like I have to apply for it. So सर ने मेरा CV जो था वो पहले ही बना दिया था. So it really helped me. मैंने वो CV एयर इंडिया सैट्स के वेबसाइट में अपलोड कर दिया like as a form of application and then within 3 to 4 days they called me and they said that, Hari, your CV has got shortlisted. Now you have to come to the interview on 6th of September. So when I reached the interview venue, मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें नोटिस किया था. पर्सनली मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ नोटिस किया था, एंड ऑल्सो आशीष सर ऑल्सो टोल्ड मी दैट देर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू notice also while you are going to the interview. If the interview time is, let's say, 8:30, so you need to you need to reach the interview venue prior 1 hour. 1 घंटे पहले ही पहुंच जाओ. That's the tip I would say, which actually he gave us, बिकॉज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है इंटरव्यू वेन्यू में 1 घंटे पहले ही पहुंच जाना, क्योंकि वहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग ऑलरेडी वेटिंग होते हैं. सो व्हेन दे आर लाइक ही लिटरली टोल्ड मी दैट अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड योर कंपोनेंट्स. जो भी तुम्हारे कैंडिडेट्स, मतलब जो भी तुम्हारे कंपोनेंट्स हैं, तो उनको अंडरस्टैंड करो. सो आई रियली डिड अंडरस्टूड देम, एंड आई केम टू नो दैट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस्ड कैंडिडेट्स ऑल्सो, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी कोविड आ चुका है एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल लॉस्ट देयर जॉब्स. देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम इंडिगो एयरलाइंस ऑल्सो, but apart from that, because of the CV that he made, and जो भी उन्होंने सर ने हमें ड्यूरिंग द 15-day क्रैश कोर्स बताया कि क्या क्या चीज़ है जो तुम्हें इंटरव्यू में बोलना चाहिए, एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू आर नॉट सपोज टू से इन द इंटरव्यू. दैट इज द मेन थिंग दैट रियली हेल्प्ड मी ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ इंटरव्यू. So I reached the interview venue 1 hour prior to the interview time, prior to the reporting time, and by 9:30 I would say we got ourselves into the I would say headquarters of the Air India. So in Trivandrum itself there is a headquarter of Air India. Inside you will be having the interview for Air India SATs. So there was a huge conference sort of a room where all the students got gathered, and their CV, the photocopy of the CV got collected again. एंड उसके बाद वे हमें थोड़ी देर वेट करने के लिए बोला, एंड इनसाइड द हेडक्वार्टर्स देयर इज़ अ बिग क्लासरूम ऑल्सो फॉर ट्रेनिंग पर्पसेस. सो हमें वहाँ पे जाके बैठने को बोल दिया, एंड देयर वर मोर देन 50 to 60 कैंडिडेट्स. क्लियरली विजिबल था देयर वर 50 to 60 कैंडिडेट्स. उसमें से एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट्स भी बहुत ज़्यादा थे, एंड सम ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स हु आर नॉट फ्रॉम द एविएशन इंडस्ट्री ऑल्सो. काफ़ी डिफरेंट टाइप के लोग आते हैं. सो हमें क्लासरूम में बैठा दिया गया, एंड देन आफ्टर आई वुड से हाफ एन आवर दे द मेंबर one senior member of the Air India SATs came, and he said that you will be having a written examination to check the aviation knowledge. I would say in Air India and Air India SATs you will be having the exams. That exam is going to be of, I would say, 50 marks. उसमें बेसिक एविएशन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. इट्स बेसिकली वेरी सिंपल सॉर्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, बट थोड़े से ट्रिकी होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल दे विल आस्क सम एविएशन रिलेटेड ग्रामर्स ऑल्सो. व्हाट इज जीडी? सो a lot of people would say that GD would be what you call general discussion or something like that, group discussion. But it is not. It is actually general declaration, which is a part of aviation industry. So like that, and a lot of short forms, abbreviations and stuff. For example, the full form of IATA, the full form of ICAO, DGCA, BACS, AFSEC, these type of questions. एंड थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश ग्रामर भी देखते हैं, क्योंकि इन द एविएशन इंडस्ट्री थोड़ा बहुत इंग्लिश मैटर करता है. आई वुड से नॉट एब्सोल्युटली. ये बस कहने वाली बात है कि एविएशन इंडस्ट्री में इंग्लिश बहुत ज़रूरी है. नॉट लाइक दैट. तुम्हें काम करना आना चाहिए. इफ़ यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम अ ग्राउंड स्टाफ, ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज यू शुड नो हाउ टू वर्क वेल, एंड यू शुड नो द जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़, जो कि हमें क्रैश कोर्स में आशीष सर एक पर्टिकुलर डे में ट्रेनिंग करवाते हैं. सो देर इज़ अ 15 day ऑफ क्रैश कोर्स, जिसमें he is going to take 1 day for one specific topic. For example, he will be taking the 1 day for explaining the job responsibility, कोई भी डिपार्टमेंट में हो, चाहे वो कस्टमर सर्विस में हो, चाहे वो सिक्योरिटी में हो, चाहे वो रैंप में हो, ही विल कवर एवरीथिंग। कि हमें अगर पूछा जाए इंटरव्यू में व्हाट आर द जॉब रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ अ कस्टमर सर्विस एजेंट और अ सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर और अ रैंप एजेंट, ही विल कवर एवरीथिंग। तब हमें पता लगेगा कि हमें तो कुछ पता ही नहीं था इंटरव्यू में क्या बोलना होता है। लाइक वी वर लाइक ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस, लाइक इट रियली हैपेंड विद मी ऑल्सो। मुझे लगता था कि मैं इंटरव्यू क्रैक कर लूंगा, बट अगर मैंने सर का 15 डे क्रैश कोर्स नहीं ज्वाइन किया होता तो देन इट वुड बी वेरी हार्ड फॉर मी, क्योंकि मुझे जॉब रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज के बारे में नहीं पता था। So thank you so much once again, Ashish sir, for that. So after the exams, exam is basically a filtration part जहाँ पर वो ये filter out करना चाहते हैं, like they want to filter out the candidates who are not well aware about the aviation industry. So I would suggest you guys to study a little bit about the aviation industry if you are going for the interviews of Air India or Air India SATs. But I would say it is not the same case with the other direct airlines. For example, Indigo and SpiceJet go first. उनके केस में ऐसा नहीं होता. They directly start from the GD, I would say. So here in Air India, the second round was of the GD, group discussion. In group discussion, I hope you guys are well aware about it. Group discussion is nothing but you will be sorted out in a short groups, let's say a group of 5, and then you will be given a particular topic and you have to speak about it for a couple more minutes, let's say 2 to 3 minutes. Everyone, like the whole members in the group. So it is basically they want to check that how good is your communication skills. तुम कितना बिना हेजिटेट हुए इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो या फिर कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हो. इट्स जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ फॉर्मेलिटी गाइस. जब जॉब में जाते हो तो इंग्लिश इतना मैटर नहीं करता. आई एम वर्किंग फॉर मोर देन 1.5 मंथ्स. सो मेरे को तो कभी कहीं पे एक प्रॉपर तरीके से इंग्लिश बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. इट इज़ द सेम विथ द होल इंडिया. कहीं पर भी जाओ, इट्स जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस कि तुम्हें इंग्लिश बोलना पड़ता है वहाँ पे. Other than that, it is not going to be a huge deal. So in GD, we've got a topic that how the pandemic affected the aviation industry, and we have to speak about it for like 3 to 4 minutes. So we did, and there are a lot of tips that he told me that the things that Ashish sir, he told me that GD में कि कैसे बोलना है, कब बोलना है, what are the things that you are supposed to be careful while attending the GD. So that really helped me. दैट वॉज ऑल्सो फिल्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस इन द इंटरव्यू. उसके बाद भी लाइक आई वुड से 10-15 लोगों को फिल्टर आउट कर दिया. तो लास्ट में बस 30-35 के कैंडिडेट्स बचे हुए थे. 30 to 35 कैंडिडेट्स वर लेफ्ट आउट. एंड देन द थर्ड राउंड वॉज पर्सनल इंटरव्यू. एंड दैट पर्सनल इंटरव्यू was the most trickiest one because I've got interviewed by a team of 5 members. I would say they are the juniors and the senior HRs. And वो हमें इंटरव्यू में लाइक दे विल व्हाट यू कॉल, दे विल एंटर, दे विल कॉल अस इन द कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल, एंड वी हैव टू कीप अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन माइंड when we enter the I would say conference hall, and also when we sit in the conference hall, and when we speak in the conference hall, when we make hand gestures. It is very important that we have to keep a lot of things in mind, जो कि हमें क्रैश कोर्स में आशीष सर विल बी कवरिंग all the aspects he will be covering, कि हमें क्या क्या बोलना होता है. And in the personal interview, the most important part, I would say, in the whole interview, the most important part is your self introduction. अगर तुमने self introduction सही बोल लिया, जो कि I would say 70 to 75% लोग नहीं बोल पाते हैं because उन्हें पता नहीं होता self introduction में कि क्या बोलना है. There are a lot of people जिनके पास अच्छे qualifications होते हैं but they don't know how to speak. उनके पास वो वो like they don't develop the kind of attitude in which they are supposed to say a lot of things about themselves. So I would say कि self introduction के लिए आशीष sir will be covering a one day in which he will be covering what exactly are you supposed to say in the self introduction. So that self introduction जो आशीष सर ने हमें प्रैक्टिस करवाया था, वही हमने वहाँ पर मैंने जाकर बोला, एंड वो इतना ज़्यादा इम्प्रेस हो गए कि द सेकेंड थिंग डायरेक्टली दे डिस्कस्ड विथ मी इज द सैलरी. अगर if an employer is discussing salary with you, it means that you already got selected. तो मुझे तो पता लग गया था कि that I got selected, क्योंकि जो सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन था that was too much perfect. He will be covering a lot of things in the self introduction part, क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन में सिर्फ इतना ही बोलना है कि मैं यहाँ से हूँ, मैंने ये किया है और मेरे पास ये एक्सपीरियंस है. नो, देर आर लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो. बना के बोलो अपने बारे में, बहुत कुछ बोलो. देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू डिड इन द पास्ट बट तुम्हें बोलना नहीं आता. So that he will be covering, and I would suggest you once again to join the crash course, because if you still are in a thinking mode, अगर आपको लगता है कि मुझे join करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए, you're wasting your time, you should join. So after the personal interview, the fourth round was of another personal interview in which you will be get interviewed by two senior members of the company. So that is where you will be facing a lot of troubled sort of a questions. हो सकता है वहाँ पे तुमसे situational based question पूछे जाएं, right? Rotational based, I hope you guys are well aware about that. In aviation industry you have to work under rotational shifts, and they will be asking questions related to that. So like I said कि situational based questions होते हैं. अगर ऐसा हो गया तो क्या करोगे? Like for example, if you are going for a security officers interview, they will be asking questions related to security officers, right? They will be asking questions related to the job responsibilities of security officers. Same with the customer service. अगर आप कस्टमर सर्विस के इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हो तो दे विल बी आस्किंग अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस अबाउट customer service agent, the job responsibilities of customer service agent, and also the situational based questions of the customer service agent, which you will be getting in the crash course, because Ashish sir will be covering one day for the job responsibility and one another day for situational based questions. I will say situational based questions for all the departments in the aviation industry, whether चाहे वो रैम्प हो, चाहे वो कस्टमर सर्विस एजेंट हो, चाहे वो सिक्योरिटी हो, एंड ऑल्सो द सेम, नॉट ओनली द जॉब रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बट द अदर वन. तीनों डिपार्टमेंट्स में हर डिपार्टमेंट को सर कवर करते हैं, because he is already having a lot of experience working in 3 of the departments, and not only the 3 of the departments but also in the flight operation department also. He cracked the interview for I think Vistara and Go Air as a cabin crew also. So सर को ये भी पता है कि cabin crew में कौन कौन से जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होते हैं, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज क्या होती हैं, एंड ऑल्सो सर को ये भी पता है कि व्हाट आर द सिचुएशनल बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द cabin crew. So I think sir is having the crash course of cabin crew also. So if someone who is watching this video who want to be a cabin crew in future, I would suggest you guys to please join the crash course of the cabin crew also, because he will be covering everything there also. वहाँ पर भी CV बनेगा, वहाँ पर भी he will study everything about you and he will make a CV of you, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होता है during the interview. And after that, a lot of people got filtered after the 4th round, which is the second personal interview round. उसके बाद I would say 10 से 15 लोग ही बच गए थे अंदर. उसमें से I would say out of 15 people, they were like I would say more than 10 people were the experienced one. उसमें से there was this one guy who is a well experienced candidate of Indigo Airlines, but he had to left the job because of the COVID, क्योंकि इनको COVID हो गया था, and you know he left the job. And a lot of other people from AME, airport I would say aircraft maintenance, engineering department, or like various other departments in the aviation industry, they got selected because they are having the experience. Only 5 students, I would say, like around 5 students got selected who were actually the freshers, और उसमें से मैं एक था. And I got really shocked, क्योंकि I was not really expecting, क्योंकि when I went to the interview venue, I saw a lot of people who are very much experienced in the aviation industry. So एक डर पैदा हो जाता है ना, like you will see that कि ना यार बहुत सारे experienced लोग हैं, so how you are going to crack the interview, एक डर पैदा हो जाता है. But Ashish sir, he told me that interview is a game of confidence. ये पूरा game confidence का है. अगर confidence तुमने lose कर दिया तो there are very high chances that you will not get selected. तो by the time of जब जब मैंने एग्जाम दिया, जब मैंने GD अटेंड किया, तो I was building the confidence क्योंकि he trained me like that during the 15-day crash course. आशीष सर he really trained me like that कि confidence कैसे build करना है. And after that they called us for the documentation. I think 4 से 5 दिन बाद, 4 to 5 days बाद they called me for the documentation. By the time of documentation, like 4 से 5 दिन मुझे मिल गया था, तो आशीष सर he actually contacted me and मेरा भी मन बन गया था कि I would make a video for Ashish sir. But actually what happened is, I have to go to my college which is in Tamil Nadu for the provisional degree. So in between, मैं उस टाइम भी वीडियो नहीं बना पाया. आई वेंट टू द कॉलेज और मैं प्रोविजनल डिग्री लेकर आया. देन उसके बाद डॉक्यूमेंटेशन के द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे दे स्टार्टेड आवर ट्रेनिंग. So the training went for around 20 to 25 days, and after that, from 1st of October, I would say I joined the airport operations. So training, like during the training, you have to attend, like I would say 7 to 8 hours. उसके बाद you will be home, and then like you literally don't have any time because you have to study. You will be having assessments every day online. So it was not easy for me to make the video back then. Even after joining the airport operations, like started working in the airport, it was not that easy for me because like I said कि मैंने just join ही किया था airport industry में. So शुरू में जो adaptation होता है थोड़ा difficult होता है, but eventually you will adapt to it. You will start adjusting your life to it. So जैसे कि right now 9.5 घंटे का shift लगाकर still I'm making the video. So yeah, that is pretty much all about it. I would also like to share some of the tips because tips are very important. Make sure if you are going to the interview, you follow the dress code of the aviation industry. Because जब मैं इंटरव्यू में गया था, कुछ कैंडिडेट्स को तो एग्जाम से पहले ही निकाल दिया था क्योंकि दे वर लाइक नॉट इन द फॉर्मल ड्रेसेस, कैजुअल ड्रेस, सैंडल पहन कर आए थे. कुछ लड़कियां दे वर इन जीन्स एंड कुछ लड़कों को मैंने देखा दे वर ना मतलब वो जो फंकी टाइप शर्ट्स होते हैं ना वो पहन कर आए थे. So they were not following the dress codes. Following the dress code is very important, guys. अगर आप ये वीडियो अभी भी देख रहे हो तो I would suggest you to please be on the aviation, जो ड्रेस कोड एविएशन डिमांड करता है, please be on that. Try to be on that attire, I would say. The second tip I would say is that yeah, of course, try to be in the interview venue prior, almost 1 hour prior to the reporting time. जिससे क्या होता है कि हमें एक familiarization मिल जाता है कि हमारे आसपास सराउंडिंग में क्या हो रहा है, कौन कौन है जो हमारे competitors हैं, और like what are the things that you are supposed to take care about. So I would say, guys, this is pretty much all about me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Aviation Life. And like he says, if you don't know, now you know. I would suggest you guys to please enroll in the course of ground staff and cabin crew because the ground staff and the cabin crew course, he will be covering all the aspects starting from the bottom to the uppermost level. He will be covering everything, and there is this one more topic in which he will be covering the politics about which is happening in the aviation industry. So that will be going to help you in the future. अगर आप थ्रू आउट अपना लाइफ जो है एविएशन इंडस्ट्री में ही रखना चाहते हो तो वो आपको जिंदगी भर हेल्पफुल रहेगा. इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्पफुल फॉर यू थ्रू द कोर्स ऑफ लाइफ टाइम. एंड ऑल्सो आई वुड से जो भी टिप्स और जो भी ट्रेनिंग आशीष सर ने हमें ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ 15 days में दिया है, it will going to be us with forever, because obviously he also told me that you shouldn't stop here. I just started my career in Air India, so there is a long way to go. So when you will appear for another interview itself, you will be having the same whatever he taught us. हमारे पास वो information रहेगा, and we will apply that information, which is very important. Because I would say किसी भी कंपनी में जब हम अप्लाई करते हैं तो वी नेवर नो दैट हाउ टू अप्लाई, what are the things that we have to kept inside our mind while we apply for the interview, while we apply for the application. सो एप्लीकेशन में जब हम अप्लाई करते हैं तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो हमें ध्यान रखना होता है, स्पेशली फॉर आई वुड से इंडिगो एयरलाइंस एंड ऑल द डायरेक्ट एयरलाइंस, क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता होता. इवन आई डिडंट नो अबाउट इट. जब मैंने क्लासेस अटेंड किया तब पता लगा, एंड देन आई केम टू नो अबाउट कि यार क्लासेस में जो सर ने बताया है उसके बेसिस में देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, मोर देन 50 स्टूडेंट्स गॉट सिलेक्टेड नाउ. सो दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ हिज वे ऑफ टीचिंग. सो आई वुड से जो एप्लीकेशन भेजने का तरीका होता है, लाइक यू सेड, क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं जो हमें ध्यान रखनी होती हैं, what are the things that we are supposed to keep and keep out of the mind while we are actually filling the application also. So guys, this is all about my experience and how the crash course really helped me during the course of 15 days, and how it is still helping me because of that politics sessions, how it's still helping me to sustain in the aviation industry. Once again guys, like, share and subscribe not only this video, all the videos that he's going to upload in the near future. And also I would like you to be a part of his crash course, because once if you got selected in his crash course, and if you will be having another interview in the near future, for example, if I will be having another interview in Indigo Airlines, let's say in the future, so he will be enrolling us in the crash course for free. अगर कोई भी क्लास हम जाकर अटेंड करना चाहते हैं तो he will actually enroll us for free, which is I would say, which is like a lottery for us, because he is now helping. He's not looking for the money. पैसों के पीछे नहीं जा रहे sir is always he's always always in a mood of helping others. So he's having a great helping mentality also. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like, share and subscribe Aviation Life. And I would also suggest you to please enroll in the ground staff and the cabin crew crash course. Thank you so much.